Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can do the stickers glitch in Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. And after that, you will be redirected to the home page of the Monopoly Go where the actual game is played. Now you can get free stickers by going over to the shop tab, opening free gifts every 8 hours. You can get many things like dice rolls and stickers by opening these gifts. You can also get free stickers by playing these tournaments and by opening these offers. To get stickers for free, you can also check out the stars exchange box in album section. Open this box once you get 100 stars and receive free stickers. At the end, there's also a way of getting them by buying using real money, but I won't recommend it. Anyway, so this is basically how you can do this stickers glitch in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.